Hi guys, welcome back to another new video, and if you're new here, hi, hello. Let's just pretend my chronic pain doesn't stop me from living my life and doing my YouTube videos, because I am back with a giveaway video, and that giveaway is of the, what is it? What a fail, is the Glass Mirror palette. This is how this palette looks. So you've got some beautiful pinks and blues in there. So yeah, details of the giveaway will be in the description below. So today's video is going to be a review and tutorial of Makeup Revolution's black... can we bother getting it? Yeah. Today's video is going to be a review and a tutorial on Revolution's Black Ice palette, which I have here. It is so pretty. I honestly love the packaging. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I had no idea my wig cap was like bending my ear so badly in this. So to start the look off, I'm just going to use the very first shade in the Black Ice palette and put that all over both my eyelids and also up to my brow bone as well. For the transition colour, I'm taking this like orangey brown colour. I think it looks brown to me, maybe it's just my eyesight, I don't know, but I think it's a really beautiful like bronzy orange. I really don't know how to describe this colour, but I absolutely love it, and it played off a lot more than I expected. It's really good. Definitely anyone with a similar skin tone to mine would really play this colour off so well. And I'm definitely going to be dipping right back into this colour so many times. The brush picked it up well, it blended very well on my crease. It is such a good shade. Next, I'm just taking this brown shade to deepen the outer corners of my eye and also the crease area. And without taking any more of the transition shade, I'm just going to buff out the edges and also make sure the brown colour is blending quite well with the orange. So taking this really pretty olive green foil shimmer shade, I'm just adding it to my lids now, but I did end up going in with a finger just because I felt like it picked up the product a lot more better than a brush, and I took a clean finger as well to diffuse the shimmer with the matte shades as well. So taking that brown shade again, I'm just going to go back over the outer corners of my eye to make sure I've not lost any pigment there, and also just to make sure my hooded eyes aren't playing me right now and that I will look like a raccoon or something. Using that orangey shade again, I'm just going to take it underneath my water lash line and buff it in. I really like this colour. I don't know what it is. I've used so many oranges before, and I think this one is just really complements my skin tone so well. I absolutely love this shade. I can't speak today. And I'm going back in with that dark brown shade again just to tie in the outer corners of my eye with the lower lash line. For my waterline, I'm taking the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner in Canary Yellow, and it looks so freaking good with this eye look. Oh, I love this eyeliner so much, honestly. Taking the black from the Black Ice palette, I'm just going to line my lash line because I felt like it needed something else to it. I'm not too sure why, and I didn't really want to do a winged eyeliner, but I just thought a simple black line would look really good with this. Taking this whitish shimmer shade from the palette, I'm just going to pop it on the inner corners of my eyes. I did find it quite annoying to work with this colour. It just felt a bit too clumpy, but it still did a really good job anyway. Now for the lashes, so I'm taking my all-time favourite Zoeva mascara, their Graphic Lash mascara, and also taking the Stella lashes by Koko lashes. I feel like I said lashes like 50 million times and I'm so sorry. Taking Revolution Makeup's liquid highlighter in Luminous Gold, I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks, nose and cupid's bow, and then take some Fenty Beauty powder highlighter just to make it pop even more. And now I'm just prepping my lips before I add some lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm taking Makeup Revolution Sheer Lip in Gone Rogue. I freaking love this gloss. It is such a good glossy nude. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did playing around with these shades. And if you do want to see any swatches from this palette, keep on watching. Okay, so let's do a little bit of a review on this bad boy. So it retails for £10. And this is how the palette looks. I think that is so beautiful. It just, oh, it literally just spoke to me straight away. I was like, before I even realised what the colours look like, I was like, I'm getting this bad boy. The palette is cruelty-free and vegan. Obviously it's Makeup Revolution, so they don't test on animals, and they do have a very good vegan range out there. Inside is obviously, it's very, I don't know, the palette itself is, it didn't like properly speak to me, but then I think it warmed up, and I think the packaging, the outer packaging kind of helped. I think you get 10 shimmers, pressed pigments, and 5 mattes. So I'm 100% more of a matte person. So that's also why the palette didn't speak to me at first. I was kind of like, oh God, I don't really do shimmers that much. You know, for the first palette I've ever used by Makeup Revolution, I'm gonna say it is really good. And for £10, it is amazing. I'm not keen on like the silvery colours and the grey colours, but maybe I'll do another look in the future just to see how it comes off and show you guys. So I'll quickly do some swatches for this palette and show you guys the mattes first. Pour on. You can see that this like deep brown, I think it's like a browny purple colour. On my eyes it definitely comes off as like a muddy brown, I'd say, which kind of annoyed me because I hate muddy colours on my eyes. I guess everyone does, but you can see it kind of loses a bit of its pigment, and they are, I will say they are very creamy to touch, except for this one right here, this orange one. It felt a bit dry to press into, but obviously usually with mattes you want to be using a brush anyway, not your finger, but they do feel quite creamy. As you can see, it's got a variety of colours. There's 2 black ones which I can't really tell much of a difference, except for this one, which is the very last one in the palette. It does come off a bit more matte, so I thought that was a matte at first, but there's already a matte black in there, so I was like, huh, I'm definitely going to dive back into this palette, especially for this green. I don't know what it is. I don't think I've got any other palette that has this green in it, and if I do, my bad. So, gosh, I feel like it's taken me so long to get to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have stuck around to the very end to even see this part, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below whether or not you're entering the giveaway, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!